JJ College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Pudukkottai, Department of Computer Application. This material for the course .NET Technologies prepared by Dr. K. Selvan. C# data types. C# is a strongly typed language. It means we must declare the type of a variable which indicates the kind of values it is going to store, such as integer, float, decimal, text, and extra. For the example given below, if you are going to declare a string variable means the variable must be string var. If it is a character means char var. C# mainly categorized data types into two types, value types and reference types. Value types include simple types, example int, float, bool and character. Reference types include class types, interface types, delegate types and array types. This architecture gives C# data types. C# data types classified into value types and reference types. In value types, there are some simple types, enum types, structure types, and nullable types. In simple types, integral, floating, character, and boolean. In reference types, class types, interface types, array types, and delegate types. This table gives predefined data types in C#. So in C# there is a big list of data types, its description and a range of values it support. These are all given. For example, there is a data type byte. It is a 8-byte unsigned integer. This is an unsigned integer, so that its range is 0 to 255. So that if a variable going to be declared with byte means only 0 to 255 can be stored, otherwise problem. The table explained already is a predefined data types are actually alias to the .NET type. The following table, this table list alias for a predefined data types and a related .NET class name. Data can be converted from one data type into another data type. If it is so, there are two types, implicit conversion, so another one explicit conversion. So implicit conversion means it automatically converted. Explicit conversion means we have to convert explicitly. So this will be explained in the next slide. Here in implicit conversion, the byte going to be converted into short, u short, int, u int, long, u long, float, double and decimal. In explicit conversion, what data type it have to be converted, this must be specified explicitly. So this is given very clearly in the example. For your understanding, there is an variable I contains 100. If it going to be converted into uint means it must be explicitly converted uint, and this must be going to store one variable u and its data type is uint. Numbers in C#. Numbers in general can be divided into two types, integer type and floating point types. Integer type numbers are whole numbers. Floating point is a numbers with one or more decimal points. C# includes different data types for integer types and floating points types based on their size in the memory and the capacity to store numbers. here we discussed already that byte variable having a range, so byte dot max value gives the maximum upper value, byte dot min value return the lower bound value, likewise s byte. C sharp string. In C sharp, a string is a series of characters that is used to represent text. It can be a character, a word, or a long passage surrounded with double quotes. For example, capital S within double quotes is a string. This is a string within double quotes is also a string. C sharp date time. C sharp includes date time struct to work with dates and times.